Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Tbilisi, Georgia, in the area of the Central train station, and I just wanted to take a walk around to see what's going on in this area. And is it kind of shady like some of those other train stations that I go to, like say Frankfurt, Germany or something like that? You might be surprised. So let's take a little walk around and look at all the shops and what they're selling. There's a huge kind of like an indoor bazaar behind me that sells fish and meats and sneakers and clothes and all kinds of stuff. And along the outside of the street here, there's a lot of fresh vegetables and things like that. So let's just see what the vibe is over here as I walk over to the train station. Strange big-eared looking corn, which you see like in, I don't know, Mexico, South America has that kind of stuff, because when I'm in New York, those food vendors along in Jackson Heights have these corn with the big ears on them. Watermelon's looking good. So the watermelon said 60. Now 60 Georgian lari is $20, a little more, $24, so that can't be right. Maybe it's 60 cents per kilo, something like that. You know, like 0.6 Georgian lari per kilo, maybe, I don't know. No, that can't be right either. Look at this white cheese over here. $15.50 per kilo. I assume that's about $6 per kilo. That's pretty cheap, I think. Yeah, $7.50, $6. Tomatoes are looking really good. Yeah, those tomatoes look good. They don't look like, you know, factory made where they all look exactly alike. You know what I mean by factory. When I go to some place like Aldi, the tomato, or Walmart, the tomatoes all have the exact same size and shape. Like they have a whole, you know, a whole system to feed it and water it to get the exact same kind of thing, and maybe genetically modified too, who knows. Peaches are looking good. I really want to get some. These tomatoes look good. So Georgia has a lot of stray dogs, unlike Turkey, which is a lot of stray cats.
Еще раз повтори, я не...
So this is kind of interesting, this building. The bottom floors they painted white, but the top floors they didn't get to that point yet, and so maybe they're renovating it or something. So this railway train station, it's not huge, but you can take the train to Batumi. I think it's about a 5-hour ride. There's also a whole lot of buses here, or these kind of small private buses that I saw some signs that said that they go to Batumi for, I think it was about $10. It's about 30 lari, something like that. It's like $12. Stuff looks pretty good. Guy drunk or just lost his balance? So it's strange, the area looks not well kept, like this walkways and stuff like that, and the railway station looks like it's from the 60s or 70s, but you walk around here and it seems totally fine. You don't have any, I don't see any strung out people or anything like that on drugs, or even homeless people. I see some beggars and stuff, but it's nothing like some train stations in the US, Europe, and stuff like that. So totally fine to come out here. And there is even a huge gold market on the ground floor of this train station. You could believe that. So this train station looks like it's modeled on like a cruise ship or something like that. So there's, I guess, city buses, private buses here, and then on the, what is that, second floor or something in the back, there's also more buses. That's where I saw the sign for Batumi. So if you're thinking of going out there to the beach in Batumi, this is probably where you would come to either catch the train or one of these buses. And I'm probably going to take the train out there in a few days. But you don't usually combine a gold market with a train station usually. So I was already in the gold market, and it is pretty huge. It takes up two sides. This whole room in here and this whole room in here, and there's like a few hundred booths probably of sellers. So they all have their little booths. It's not like a closed store or anything like that. And then they have these electronic stores. This one and this one. Are they the same? Okay, I believe this level has the tickets. Next level has the tickets. So there's clothing store here. So here is the ticket offices and the waiting area and the arrival departure board. It says there's a food station upstairs too, and another electronics place. Wow. 809 for that refrigerator. That's about for $320. Food station looks like it's just one place here, selling like cafe sandwiches, espresso, stuff like that. Guys, that's a little look around the train station and the area around it in Tbilisi. If you want to travel other places in Georgia, you might want to come through here. So now you know what it's like. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Coffee machine, Americano 3.5 Georgian Larry is about $1.40, so pretty good.